Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Morehart, and today's lesson is about fractions. Our learning target is I can tell what a numerator and a denominator are. For a lot of you, you will know what these are, and this is just a little review. For those people that don't know, it's a great review. So you can see I've got a square on the board, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a line like this through it. So I would like you in your math duotang to draw a square and put one line through it, please. Then what I would like you to do is draw another line across like this. If you need to pause the video, of course, go ahead, right? So what we're going to look at is we're going to look at our numerator and denominator. Well, first of all, we're going to say how many parts is the square cut into? And you can easily see it's 1, 2, 3, 4. The line should be pretty equal, so I'm just going to move this up just a little bit so you can see how it should be. But basically, we've got our 4 parts. So the denominator, I like to think of it as a house, and the denominator is down. So downstairs in a house, we got maybe our little stairs going down. Starts with the letter D, and denominator starts with the little d. And so we're going to look at how many parts is something cut into. It's cut into 4, and that's going to live downstairs. So we're going to put our 4 down here. And with fractions, we always want to say, well, how many bits do we have? So thinking about our numerator as being the number that we actually have, that's going to go on top. So denominator goes down, like downstairs, and that's how many pieces there are. We've got 4. And the numerator is how many do we have? What number do we have? So I just want to show you this. If I shade in one of our squares and say that's what I have, I would have 1/4. This would be my numerator, this would be my denominator. If I had 2 shaded in, and you can do this in your book along with me, I would now have 2 out of 4. Like that. Okay, so today's learning target was just a little quick review about numerators and denominators. And boys and girls, I hope that you can go into your duotang and practice doing things just like this. You might want to expand. We're using quarters, but maybe you want to go into circles and you want to do this. And in this case, you would have how many parts? You would have 1, 2, 3. The number of parts you have is a denominator, goes on the bottom, downstairs. And you could maybe polka dot one of these. So now you've got 1 polka dotted out of 3. The number polka dotted, the numerator goes on top. So in your math duotang, I'd like you to experiment creating fractions, thinking about numerator and denominator. Have fun. Bye for now.